Welcome, in front of me is HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and in this video I am going to show you how to resolve Wi-Fi issues on this laptop. To do that, tap on the three icons you can see in the bottom right corner of the screen. See if your airplane mode isn't enabled, and if it is, then surely switch it off and see if it helps you connect into your Wi-Fi network. If it didn't, toggle your Wi-Fi connection by switching it off and on again. And if it didn't help, tap on the arrow icon next to the Wi-Fi. Then select the network that you're connected to, disconnect from it, and then connect to it again by clicking connect. And if this doesn't help, don't worry, you can go to settings, from start menu, settings, then network and internet. And in network and internet, go to advanced network settings, then select network reset and click reset now. Click yes, and in 5 minutes your laptop will restart automatically, but we can help it do the restart. So go to the start menu, select power options and select restart, and then wait until your device is restarted. And when your laptop is restarted, sign in again, then try to reconnect to your network. Enter the password to your network, click next, and see if it helped you with your network connection. And if it didn't, you can right click the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner of the screen on the status bar, select Diagnose Network Problems. And then you can go through these troubleshooting methods. The Windows should automatically perform the troubleshooting generally. Okay, so the password wasn't correct in my case. So now I'm gonna have connected status. So generally here you'll find the troubleshooting steps, so go through them. And once you do go through them, if this doesn't help you, then what you have to do is open the start menu and search for device manager. Open it. Now here find the network adapters, and here find the Wi-Fi adapter by Intel. Now go to the information about it, go to driver, select driver details, and normally if there is no yellow triangle next to it suggesting that this driver is outdated, there shouldn't be a problem. But you can anyway select update drivers and search automatically for the drivers. As you can see, for me the latest drivers are already installed. But if you want to install a driver for your device, for your network adapter, you can go, maybe not on this laptop since you cannot access internet, but on the other device, find the WLAN driver HONOR MagicBook X16 PRO, and find our driver download service by HONOR. Here select product type, which is laptop, product series X, and product model is X60. Click search, then select WLAN right here, and just download this driver from here by clicking download. Wait until the driver is downloaded, it will take a couple of seconds. Now open the file, go to software and open this file, and then run this Intel WLAN file on your PC. Click install. Okay, and now you'll have to restart your PC. So select reboot now, click finish, and wait until your device is restarted. And then sign into your PC again and see if it helps you with your problem. Now the driver updating should definitely help you solve your problem if your network adapter is working and there is no issue on the router side. But if this didn't resolve your problem, then first of all take a look at the router and make sure that other devices can connect to it, and make sure that your router is working fine. Maybe restart it first of all to begin and see if the network signal is good. You can also contact your provider of the network services and check if your internet connection is stable. But if everything is fine with your router, then in such case this problem must be a hardware problem. Probably your network card is malfunctioning, and in such case you'll have to either contact HONOR customer support service and tell them about your issue, especially if your warranty isn't expired yet. We have a video on our channel on how to check this, so if you need it, go ahead and check it out. Or you can just reach out to the nearest repair center, tell them about your issue and let them take care of your device. And that will be all for this video. I hope that it helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.